So today I'll tell you about the crown cementation. So as you can see, here's our patient Nikhil, and we are starting with crown cementation today. We already done with the RCT before. So today we'll go with the crown cementation. This is PFM crown, and we already have taken the impression, and now PFM is ready right now. So first of all, we have to check that it properly sets into the mouth or not. So we have to check the proper fitting, and after that, what we can do that we have to take the luting cement. This is the powder. So this is the powder part, GIC luting type 1. If you can see, so we have to take the 1 scoop of this GIC cement, and after that this is the liquid, so we can take around 2 drops of liquid, and then we have to mix with the cement spatula, and we can then just fill all the luting cement in the crown area. So firstly what we have to do, we have to isolate the area properly. So I already used the cotton balls there, and now we use the 3-way syringe also to dry the area completely, so that we can have a proper dry field to work, and it will increase and then we can definitely easily do the crown cementation here. We have to coat the proper crown area with the proper luting cement, mixed luting cement, and we have to be sure that we have to cover the whole walls of the crown area. Then we can cement it, and after that we have to check with the articulating paper that if maybe there can be any high point or something like that. So after using the articulated paper, there are no high points, and just because that patient is much more comfortable looking right now, as you can see with the expression of his face. So come, let's check once. Zoom here, please. So as you can see, there are no high points. Yeah, I agree. Whatever was the tooth of dual tooth, which was not treated. So yeah, there was a little bit of high points, but what we can't do, we just have to work with our situated tooth, so that are normal. So now your treatment is finished, and we hope that you are happy. So can you please share your feedback?
So पहले मैंने बहुत सारे ट्रीटमेंट करवाए हैं हर किस चीज़ के, बट कभी ना मेरे को ये फील नहीं हुआ, मतलब उन्होंने ऐसे डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया सारी चीज़ कि आप स्टेप बाय स्टेप की अब ये कर रहे हैं, आपको इसमें इशू है, फिर हम इसके लिए ये करेंगे। तो किसी ने भी अभी तक इनिशियली पूरा डिस्क्राइब नहीं किया एक एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप चीज़ों को। तो ये चीज़ मुझे यहाँ पे अच्छी लगी कि जो भी हो रहा था मुझे पता था कि अभी ये हो रहा है, इसके बाद ये होगा और इससे ये होता है। तो ये चीज़ मुझे यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छी लगी कि डॉक्टर्स पेशेंट को हर एक चीज़ बताते हैं कि अब हम ये कर रहे हैं, आपको ये करना है। तो
Thank you so much, Nitin. Thank you for sharing the feedback with us. Thank you so much.